In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the map icons of a car. I've created another car, a test van. Wouldn't it be cool if this van had icons that looked similar like a van? You can change these. To do this, go to the control center. The map icons are tied to a car config. Let's go to car configs and find our test van. And go to the map icons tab. We can either paste here the URLs to the pictures, or we can select one from the template. Now the icons are changed. Let's check in the app. You can see the icon is now a minivan.